Hello friends, welcome to my channel Guru Mantra. My name is Guru Raj. So yet another interesting session today. As discussed yesterday, from today we will start analyzing the chart through Nifty open interest. Open interest will add in our this one analysis. So let us see how it helps us in the coming days. So as you know, the market opened flat at the same 17,323 level, and from there it is made a high of 17,351 and the low of 17,192 was made during the day, and it has closed at 17,000 one second 222, yeah, 222 17,222 was the closing of the day. So it was very good because during the day what I did is I have opened open interest and I have checked it. So due to some, it was very evident that 17,200 has a maximum put rating and 17,300 has a maximum call rating. So it was expected that the market may remain in this range. So if we follow this, I am sure that we'll get very good opportunities, because when market came around 17,200, it was a very good buying opportunity because there was a very much put writing was done, and when it went to 17,300 level, it was a very good selling opportunity, or you can buy puts, because it was a very good call rating done at 17,300. So let us go to the next part of our video. So as you know, Sun Pharma, Kotak Bank, these were the two leading top gainers. Apart from that, Maruti, Tata Consumer, Hero MotoCorp, M&M, Bajaj Auto. I can see here Eicher Motor, Tata Motors. So many auto sectors. Auto sector was leading in the top gainers list. And when it comes to top losers, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Adani Ports, ITC, Power Grid, IOC, ONGC. These were some of the top losers for the day. So let us go to our second part of video, where we will try to analyze the Nifty chart with a 15 minutes or a daily candle, as well as we'll take a help of option writing, because tomorrow is a expiry, weekly expiry. So we'll take help of this open interest data to analyze. Keep watching. So friends, here is Nifty 50 15 minutes chart. As you can see, this is a vertical line where the market started today. It opened flat and then it started going down. Then around 11 o'clock it started going up and it reached the level of around 300 plus. So this was the good area to short, because as per the open interest analysis, 17,300 call rating was building up. So there was a good resistance. So this was a good area to short. And after some time, when you can see here, the market has reached 17,200 level. And because 17,200 put rating was done, so it was a very good level to buy. So both the ways it has worked. From upper point we could sell, and from down point we can buy, and again it has reached 300 level where we can sell again. So this was expected because of this call and put rating open interest analysis. So the same may hold good for tomorrow. So let us understand what can happen tomorrow. So if the market has come down a little bit in last around half an hour, 45 minutes. So if it opens flat somewhere near 17,250 level, so it may try to go towards 17,300 level, and 17,300 is a good resistance because call writing is done. Again, I'll repeat the same thing. So we can think of shorting somewhere here 17,300 level, and suppose if the market opens flat and it starts going down, we will wait for the price action, because 17,200 has a put rating, but it is not as good as the call rating is done at 17,300. The volume is less, the open interest is comparatively little bit lesser. So the chances are there with the force it can break the 17,200 level and it can slide further down. So these are some of the resistances and supports I will mention here. First, let us discuss support. So as usual, today's day low around 17,195 will be tomorrow's first support. Then the second support I have taken at 17,052, and the third support, because 17,052, why is because after 17,200 only 17,000 has a maximum put rating, and in between there is no put rating as on now. And the third support I have taken as 16,962. These are three supports. And when it comes to resistance, the first immediate resistance will be of course today's high that is 17,320 level will be the first resistance for tomorrow. If the market opens flat or little bit some 10-20 points up and it starts going up, then 17,300 320 level will be the 300 level basically will be the good resistance. Then the 17,360 level and final resistance will be at 17,410 level. So these are three resistances and three supports. So trade accordingly. The importance of resistances, supports, I'll tell you. Whenever it is trading at support and if it is holding, it is consolidating, you can think of buying. And if whenever it is touching the resistance and it is coming down, if the volatility starts increasing, you can think of shorting there. So this way you can do, and you can keep the stop loss of the resistance. If it is going above the resistance, then you should exit the trade. And the same way, when you are trading, taking a trade at the support, and if it is creating some volatility and it is creating consolidation and it is going up, you can take a trade and you can keep a stop loss of this support. So this way your stop loss will minimize comparatively. So this is what I feel will be tomorrow, and have a happy expiry week to expiry day tomorrow. So have a happy trading, and keep checking my videos, like and subscribe. Have a nice day.